Watch out for the truck merging into the main lane. You could be in danger if the driver tries to move into the outer lane. Stay cautious.
Okay.
I'm good! I had my first crash! Oh yeah! I never do! Did you see me though? I was like getting that though.
Playing a game of whack here. Whack!
What could have happened if that nylon rope wrapped around him? Thank goodness he avoided a big problem. Hopefully the driver notices it and ties it back up securely. Situations like this can always happen if you're not staying alert to avoid them. Stay cautious. The road was too slippery, and the guy was focused on the Mazda in front, not noticing the Fiesta until it was too late. This will serve as a lesson for him to be more cautious while riding his motorcycle next time.
I have no idea yet. I can't feel my ankle. No, I know you've got a fight and stuff like that. So.
I know, I swear that was Amber.
They're right here. Appreciate that.
Keep an eye on the red car ahead, and you will be shocked when it suddenly veers into the motorcycle lane. This was likely the last incident he wanted to experience, and it's certain that his future rides will be much safer. I'm not really sure why the driver is so angry with the motorcyclist. Let's see what happens.
Pe aici, ești cameră, lasă-l mă cam camera mea la poliție. Vezi că ești pe cameră. O să mergem la poliție să rămâi fără permis. Altercație în trafic. Ai greșit la locul tău de muncă înapoi să nu? Bună, eu sunt.
What should we do to avoid slipping while riding a motorcycle in the winter? Share your thoughts in the comments below.
What are you doing?
The driver didn't even use a turn signal. This made the motorcyclist angry, and he decided to chase after him.
Pull over! Pull over! Pull over! What was that about, man? What was that about? You're in the middle lane. Yes, you were in the middle lane. I have it on camera. I was in the left lane going straight, and you were in the right lane, which is straight only. You can't turn left in the middle lane. Thankfully, I braked really hard, but
I'm sorry, we didn't,
oh, it just scared the out of me. I have insurance and everything. I'd rather not have to do that. If you're willing to pay for it for replacement.
something unexpected happened that startled and scared this guy. Let's see what unfolds.
No! Are you good? Are you sure you're all right, man? You positive? Let's get it up out of there where it ain't upside down.
Oh, I'm not really sure if the vehicle can keep going. Let's see what happens after they get it out of the mud.
I got the clutch in. Alright, I gotta move. I need a bag. You hold it.
Yeah. Right, you will be banned for life.
For life?
Karen suddenly appeared. Let's see what they say.
They love it. The public love it. Yo! Yo! What are you taking man's camera? Fam? You're on camera! You're on camera! Get your You're done! Punching a man! Yo, what are you doing, man? No! What are you doing? Take a man's keys! I said, do you want me to go any other way? The guy's like, yeah, you the other way.
The best thing is to never ride in front of a moving vehicle. Always look behind you to stay safe. The race with challenging terrain presents a big test for the riders following the lead of the guy ahead. Let's see what happens.
You okay, bud? Come give me a get, Rob!
Danger is always ahead, but do not forget to stay alert behind you as well. This motorcyclist was shocked and in disbelief when he stopped at a stop sign and got hit from behind. Check it out.
Was passiert? Nee.
It seems that the front tire froze up and excess gravel led to the motorcycle skidding.
Oh my god, bruh.
The YZ250F, valued at over $8,000, flipped over while the rider was practicing at 110 kilometers per hour. Without hesitation, he turned around to assist his friend. While heading to Twin Peaks, a car attempted to merge into the Tres Leches lane. Let's see what happens next. Keep an eye on the green car getting ready to merge into the main lane. The motorcyclist in front is getting angry as the driver makes a reckless turn. Let's see what happens next. The driver panicked upon seeing the approaching motorcycle. Control your speed to avoid unexpected situations like this.
Who pulled out of the turning lane? Gotta look. Gotta look. Alright? You almost killed me. Almost got me. Pay attention.
When they stopped, a burst of anger erupted. The driver's sudden outburst left me stunned.
Let's have a chat. Pull over there. Why are you spitting at me as a...
Well, A, I wasn't, and yes, mate, I've got you on camera. You looked in the mirror, and you can apologise or I'll send it to the police. You are a creature.
Da help mir doch gleich mal mit.
Nu låser det av mig.
The motorcyclist unexpectedly discovered a woman in need of help from him. Don't forget to spread this kindness to your friends.
Das ist schon gut, danke.
Braucht man noch mehr Holz?
Nein,
Aber ich denke, dann helfe ich gleich mal ein bisschen mit, ne?
also, sicher nicht Leute in Australien, wenn sie so ein extra hätten.
Ja.
Wir sind ja doch ein paar Schenker.
Ich? Mir?
Ja,
Nein, passt schon, echt wirklich, ich brauche nichts. Ich mir halt wirklich kein Geld.
nein, das ist das Ehre wert.
Be careful of cars at the intersection. Stay safe. What happens to this guy's phone when he drives at 190 kilometers per hour? Thank God that the driver escaped in time, but his car didn't. Motorcyclists and police officers have helped other road users have a safe trip. Have a nice trip. Put your safety first. Chicken go slow when you drive your motorbike through such a bad road.
Get the other side. Don't go fast here. That's why I slowed down. It got hella muddy.
Always remind yourself not to go into the blind spot of a car to avoid danger.
Yeah, he's about to say something to me. Straight? No, I just crept right through them. They were all stopped. Is that not legal?
Maybe the police just wondered about your lane filter and then everything was fine. Do not forget to learn how to use your mirrors before you set off, buddy.
Oh, you know you parked me right next to me. You parked me right next to me. And you cannot... I have in camera, you were still on my line. You were still on my line and you were in a tunnel where you should not take over.
Keeping a safe distance from the vehicle in front can help you avoid ending up like in this clip. You are so grateful. It brought tears to my eyes, literally. Small acts of kindness like this can always go a long way. That way was too close. The car driver should have checked their mirrors.
That really scared me.
There is always a reason for solid lines existed. I mean, learn how to use solid white lines before you go.
Pointing you to the EVLA.
Отрезает меня. Отрезает меня.
Oh god, this Lamborghini driver should literally go back to roadside school before he causes worse hazards. Karma between a driver and a motorcyclist in Italy. Who's at fault? Watch the video and comment below.
Shit.
This guy lost focus and crashed into the curb. Be careful, especially when turning and driving safely, my friend.
Just slide out and lay back, lay back.
I'm good.
Anything hurting you, bud? You remember what happened? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Speak English? I know, that's what I'm just trying to make sure that you're okay though. Did you hit your head?
No, I'm good, I
If you
promise.
can't remember anything, we have a problem, okay?
I'm good. No, I'm good. Trust me, I just gotta get home.
Yeah, but I don't think you should just get home.
But it's a Honda. Look like this.
Do a wheelie somewhere else.
Look like this. That me? That me? Look like this.
Stay safe out there.
Careful for hoes. Big tire, all for skinny.
That driver should lose their license. Totally reckless. The motorcyclist is furious about the reckless driver cutting in front of them. It is a heated argument between the two parties. Stay calm and avoid escalating the situation.
Yeah, you walk up to my guy.
Well, I'm gonna walk up to the car. You cut me off. You're gonna kill somebody, dude.
No, I'm gonna kill you.
You're gonna kill me? Okay.
Get back on your motorcycle.
That's what you do.
Not today.
I
This is
wish
the
you would.
holidays. Get on your motorcycle.
Hey.
This is the holidays.
Don't start pushing on me. He
Get
cut
on
me
your
off, all right?
motorcycle. This is
I'll
the
get over it. I'm
holidays.
not gonna touch her. Why would I touch her? You cut me off. All right,
Happy holidays.
do it.
Okay?
Have a
Happy
good
holidays.
Christmas. Have a good Christmas, ma'am. Yeah, come on. Yeah. Yeah, you want me?
The driver suddenly changed lanes, leaving the motorcyclist with no time to react. but fortunately, there was no major damage. Do not accelerate if there is a car ahead of you changing lanes. It is easy to collide if you can't avoid it. Be cautious. Always stay in your lane for your own safety.
I hopped out so quick. Woo. Woo.
Good, yourself?
Good. The reason I stopped you is because
The motorcyclist was tough. I don't know if this is a good thing or a bad thing. Let's see.
I'm kind of just disintegrated.
Okay, so we've gotten a couple like stolen bikes.
Oh yeah, I mean, if you wanna, what would you like?
Do you have the registration or paper form of it?
If not, I probably have a picture of it. I've had it since like November. No, not there. All right.
Can I just borrow that for the VIN number?
Yeah. I mean, I've been meaning to. Okay. I just registered my R6, but not this one yet. Honestly, I like this more.
You do?
The R6 is it's just so uncomfortable. Yeah, I have the temp on it, but I'll show you. I had this little popcorn box. It just got disintegrated from the
destroyed.
Yeah.
All right, perfect. Drive safe.
She was distracted, likely due to the phone in her hand. Stay focused on the road and avoid distractions.
Go, please.
Yeah. Okay. Hey man, just stay down. Just stay down.
Lay down, lay down.
Lay down, brother. Come on.
Take this helmet off of me.
Hold on. I got you.
Are you okay?
Lay down, man.
This is why I always double check my blind spots when driving.
Okay.
The motorcyclist nearly collided with the car because the driver turned out without checking for safety. Be careful. What would you do to avoid unexpected collisions with wildlife? Watch the clip and leave a comment below. This is why I always remind people to check their mirrors for safety before turning or changing lanes. Do not forget to check your mirrors before changing lanes. Make sure to look behind you if you don't want to get into trouble like this driver.
I didn't just get it, but I got it recently. Oh, yeah, sorry about that. I just moved from Florida.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah, yeah.
And you got it in Carroll.
Yeah. Oh, well, my parents lived here, and I moved here a year, or I just transferred it from a different bike that I had before. But I just got this one. I have this too.
I saw you come through earlier and I was like, man, I'm not even gonna mess with him. I saw you come back.
Yeah, I don't mind. I'm not doing nothing wrong. I've gone down with no gear on, and it's...
Good job, buddy. The police just wanted to ask you a question and check your simple papers. Have a safe trip.
Yeah, I will. I'm sorry. I literally took it out and I was like, I want to go ride.
It is understandable that drivers are worried, don't you think so? At speeds over 70 kilometers per hour, it'll be more difficult for this guy to avoid the car turning out from a small alley. Stick to the speed limit to stay safe. The motorcyclist helped the driver save a $50 fine if his headlight wasn't fixed in time.
Hey, your brake light's out. You have a brake light that's out. Your back brake light is broken. Yeah, have a good one.
Continuing with the dangerous moment of the car driver who drifted into the opposite lane and didn't check the mirrors on the highway. This friend unfortunately fell off the road while riding his 2014 GS XR 750 on a sandy corner. Remind yourself to be careful on the sand if you do not want to end up like him.
But honestly, 20... This one just hit me.
Always be mindful of your foot placement and avoid mistaking the accelerator for the brake. Proper foot control is essential for safe driving.
No. Kids screaming, they are back. Sorry about that.
Right.
Yeah. So very sorry.
Hold it like this. Hold it. You alright?
Yeah.
Did you put the stand? What? He can't get out the glass. Oh my god. He's
My rule of riding a motorbike is never to overtake a vehicle near an intersection. Just be careful. Danger can happen at any time, so be alert when traveling on the road to ensure your own safety. Don't forget to check your mirrors before changing lanes. Make sure it is safe behind you if you don't want to end up in trouble like this driver. Learn how to use a cup holder before you buy it. Changing lanes without checking your mirrors is like driving without knowing what's going on around you. Take care.
Be careful, man!
This guy noticed Wendy's abnormality. See what happens. A heated argument broke out between the driver and the motorcyclist after a dangerous maneuver by the car driver.
You almost right in front of me.
You were behind me.
You were. Do I have your camera, you idiot? You made a left. I was coming down. An idiot. Killed me, man.
I could have killed you. I saw you. I have a bike too, man. I saw you right there on the street when you made the left.
He was like, I was right behind him.
I saw you. I was on the other side, and I followed you. You won't know how to drive.
Thank you, man.
You got it.
Oh my God.
Such a rescue maneuver could have ended badly. Be careful. Maintaining a safe distance and speed is key to avoiding dangers ahead.
You're still going to be on YouTube, by the way.
Fine, I'm on YouTube, that's totally fine.
Aye.
Calmness helped this guy avoid a head-on collision with this reckless driver.
Look!
Concentrate on driving if you don't want this to happen to you. A small action of the motorcyclist touched many people. Please help him spread this good thing to everyone. Oh! A motorcycle can easily tip over if the kickstand isn't reliable. Consider upgrading to a spring-loaded kickstand for added safety.
My clutch again, I already see that.
If you've gained any personal insights from watching this video, feel free to share them down below in the comment section with us right now. And before I go, let me just remind you right quickly to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your notifications bell so you're always staying tuned with any of our upcoming videos.